Okay, Iron Man, pow, is back in the building. And I've just finished the Air Max 95 unearthed review, erosions, whatever you want to call them. And I was going to wait for tomorrow to do this unboxing, but I've been waiting for ages for this pair. Had to go the resale route. The first pair I ordered, they're still not here, which is mad. It's been like 2 weeks. And eBay, yeah, they've been keeping me updated, but bruh, where are they? So I had to order another pair. Oh, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Before we get into this, I want to ask you a question. Is this top 3 Travis Scott 1 lows? I'd say so. I'm not gonna lie. It goes reverse mocha, mocha, these, then the olives, and then whatever else is after. I'll let you be the judge of that. Ooh. Right, box is okay, but it's very lifted. Don't know what they've done. Okay, my first Travis Scott, ladies and germs. Yes, they've changed up the box, of course. You've probably seen 1,000 reviews by now, but it's giving me sort of cream and mocha vibes, and I love it. The product sticker says though, Air Jordan 1 Low, OG SP, and the official colorway is medium olive, black, sail, muslin. Bruh, where do people come up with these names? Oh man. Bruh. Are you seeing how they've wrapped up these shoes? eBay, what are you playing at? Like, honestly, oh, the shoes are good. The shoes are good. Hold on. I was thinking, where are the laces at, bruh? All right, that's one. All right, I swear they came with another pair of laces. No, I got robbed. Am I seeing things? It's like I'm not meant to have these shoes, you know? Let me check the listing, bruh, because I swear they came with 2 laces. They came with black laces, bro. No black laces. What's going on? I'm not gonna get too mad because I will sort it out one way or another. We've just got to focus on the positives. At least we got them in hand, you know. What I was most worried about was the QC. Thankfully, they both look really good. Very good. Very premium. Yeah, very clean, very clean. Amazing colorway. Definitely top 3 for me. I really like the reverse mochas, but no one's paying those prices, bruh. That's for sure. Now, I have said it before, even though I am an Air Max guy, first and foremost, always will be, always have been. You just need, come on, man. You need a bit of hype in the collection. And I think this was probably the best looking and also the most affordable Travis 1 low on the resale market. So it was gonna happen. And I knew if I didn't hit on retail, I was always gonna pay resale. So I'm not too mad. When you sort of get rid of shoes in your collection you're not gonna wear or you haven't worn, for a shoe you know you're gonna wear and you know you're gonna love, you have to do it. You have to do it. So it makes sense. And that's the great thing about building up a collection. You can get rid of the old to make room for the new. And that's exactly what I'm doing. A great colorway. I mean, the khakis, the blacks, the sort of whites and the off-white as well with the red signature Travis Scott. But when he uses these sort of colors, does he ever miss? I don't think so. And as much as we moan about how many Travis Scotts come out, we're still gonna go for them. We're still gonna try and buy them. We're still gonna probably try and sell them. It's just a cheat code at this point. So just a quick unboxing to these. Yes, I'm gonna be doing a full review still, even though they're super late, but come on, bruh. If any shoe is worth it, these are. Can't wait to wear them, especially this time of year, you know, with the khakis, the creams, the blacks as well. I'm just gutted about those black laces because those are the laces I actually wanted in this shoe. What are the chances? But let me know if you caught these for retail or if you had to pay resale, and where would you rank these in terms of the Travis Scott 1 lows? For me, top 3 easy. But let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and yes, until the next episode, take care.